Isn't that fun? Technically, it's fun. Get it? Alright, we're going to start soldering the Molex connector, but before that I wanted to show you how it turned out. Pretty shiny, pretty good looking. Again, we put the tape on there for protection, and I also took some protective foam to shield it, since even though it's been 18 hours, I still don't want to mess with it. There's a lot of off-gassing that, especially with the weather and the humidity, might take up to 48 hours to really cure, and for the solvents to get to the surface. So I'm going to leave it like this. My plan is to use bar resin, which is basically just a resin, and that will make it so that it'll take a beating. Let that dry, and here I've marked all of the Molex connector spots, RGB and their appropriate channels. I gotta fix that here to the resistors, and then the other end of that will simply plug in. This will go to our DMX controller, and I think that should be it. We're getting kind of close here. I'm kind of crossing my fingers, but with that done, I think we're in pretty good shape. So I'm going to get this soldered on. All right, time for the big test. We've got our positive lead hooked up to the common, and we go blue, green, red, blue, green, red, blue, green, red, blue, green, red. And then we pull these all aside, and it'll go tinkly, tingly, ting, ting, to ting, ting, to ting, 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 to ting, ting, to ting, ting, to ting. Yay, it's fun. Isn't that fun? Technically, it's fun. Get it? Okay, one step closer. Alright, so we got this taped up. I'm going to use some spray liquid electrical tape. I've never used this before. I've used the brush-on kind. It takes a while to evaporate and to really set. It can become gooey, and I really didn't have good luck with it. But there are so many small, intricate wire-to-wire connections, like right next to each other, and I really want to coat all of those contacts. I think using some hot glue this time won't really get me the precision that I want. So this being a spray will really get into those nooks and crannies and coat it the way I want. I'm going to follow the directions. Hopefully it'll work. I took some tarp, some plastic wrap, and covered this entire thing. Taped it up so that it doesn't get on any of the parts that are going to light up or any of the parts that are going to show. So let's start spraying. Hopefully this works.